Hello everyone, welcome back to new video with me Kirti. Today we are going to try 3 ingredients decoupage. Yes, you heard me right. It's only purple flower decoupage papers, decoupage glue and the bottle. No gessoing, no priming. Let's see if that works. So I basically started with central part of bottle covered with decoupage glue and decoupage sheet. I also decorated cover the lid of the bottle with the decoupage paper, and that's all. I guess you will find out at the end of video if gessoing is always mandatory. So coming to the decoupage of lid, I wanted to try the burning method. That's why I didn't bother much to cut it to the inner circle part of my lid. I decided to use lighter matchstick or any wire source to burn out the excess part of the decoupage paper. Let me be honest with you about the burning method. I do not like it. However, that can be a personal choice, but I do not like the finish. And here is the final look of my bottle. I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube under the name Kirti's Craft Castle. Thank you.